I'll be your host for the Clear Channel Radio new employee training video. File that. It's going to follow you through a few simple rules, and all we got to do, and we'll get along just fine, is follow these simple rules, and to enforce those rules we have Momma Bertie.
Hi, I'm Momma Bertie, and if you don't follow my simple rules... No, wait! You will follow my rules, or you will feel the pain of the Bertie train.
Hi, I'm Alan Cook, also known as AC. Yeah, that's right. Before Momma Bertie, stealing was at an all-time high. God damn. Yeah, that's right. But ever since Momma Bertie got here, misuse of office supplies have gone down 95%. As you can see, here. God damn. Yeah. I love my rats.
Woo woo! Woo woo! The pain train's coming! The pain train's coming! Woo woo!
She don't need this calendar. I need it more than she does.
I told you not to take what ain't yours. Hey baby, how you doing today? You sure look nice. Yeah baby, see you later. And get up and get back to work and remember what I told you.
Momma Bertie also increased productivity 50%. God damn.
Yeah. Come on, I'll do next week.
And you better turn in your paperwork on time, Greg.
Oh, I bet that hurt. God damn. Yeah.
But anyway, be respectful of your co-workers. Think about how you'd feel.
Oh, well, there's no more coffee. I don't care. I got my coffee. No.
You finish the job, you make some more. Supplies. Use what you need. Don't go in the closet and take 12 pens. You only have one hand. You need one pen, and ink lasts for a long time. Don't go in the closet and take all the pens, because the next person coming will not have anything to write with.
I need a highlighter. Stupid Bertie.
You know you don't need 5 pens. You don't even do 1 pen's worth of work. Get up and get to stepping. Get to stepping. And anyway, just get up. You don't need them 5 pens.
Oh, yeah. God damn, that's right. Momma Bertie also hates one thing the most, is when someone else eats somebody else's food. That's a big no-no.
You don't take other people's food out of the refrigerator and eat it. How would you feel if you went in there and your lunch was gone and you didn't have anything to eat? I know people got food at home. People work all night long and come in here and their food is gone. Now how would you feel? I do not tolerate that. That is disrespectful to your co-workers.
Damn, I'm hungry. What is it eating here? I want some of that. Some of this. Let me see. Ah, yeah. No one will know I ate this.
What you doing in there? Is that your food? What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing in there? The pain train's coming! The pain train's coming! The pain train's coming! The pain train's coming! What is that? That's right, don't you be eating nobody else's food. How you like somebody to eat your food? You better get on back to your office and do some work. What you think what's going on around here?
Buddy, I'm just trying to think. Do you think that taking Joy's food was not a good thing to do? I mean, how do you think she felt?
Oh, sorry, Tim. I was just hungry. I wanted to eat, and I didn't mean to eat Joy's food. I mean, yeah, you're right. I think she does deserve an apology. I just.
The pain train's coming! The pain train's coming!
I didn't have any money to buy anything, so.
Pain train's coming! The pain train's coming!
Woo! Oh my God!
Pain train's coming! Woo! And like I said, just follow my simple rules and we'll get along just fine. Bye-bye now.
There you go, baby. And that was 50 Cent within the club on your favorite station. This is Alan Michaels signing off on Cool 1450. Good times, great oldies. So there you have it. Let me congratulate you again on joining the Clear Channel family. Godspeed.
I'm AC, also known as Alan Cook. I work for Clear Channel Radio. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right. Ever since Momma Bertie and the pain train got here. Yeah, I need it. Tell myself. I need to count. I need more than she does. Hey, Paul, Manny.
Sorry.
So sorry. I know.
Take two. Alright, let me see. Perfect. I've been waiting for this all day. I'm almost set. Everything's ready. Is the camera set? Yeah. Alright.
Yeah, I want some of that.
Yeah, donuts. Please.
That's so good.
Is that my phone? Hold on. I have a good old cream filling.
How long is this? Yeah, I'm busy right now. Let me call that back. Right now, Mike B. I'll call you right back. All right.